Join the machines as we explore the beautiful world of banana cultivation, where vibrant green plantations stretch across the countryside. From careful planting and modern farming techniques to harvesting and processing, discover how fresh bananas become delicious treats like banana bread, crispy banana chips, and nutritious banana smoothies enjoyed around the world. Every productive banana plantation starts with proper land preparation. Farmers use tractors, plows, and rotary tillers to loosen the soil, create planting rows, and improve drainage. Organic fertilizer is then incorporated into the ground to increase nutrients, strengthen soil structure, and provide ideal conditions for young banana plants to develop deep, healthy roots. As banana plants begin growing, weeds become one of the biggest challenges. They compete for water, nutrients, and sunlight, reducing productivity if left uncontrolled. Farmers manage weeds using rotary tillers, mulching systems, and environmentally friendly herbicides while preserving soil health. This balanced approach allows every banana plant to grow stronger throughout the season. Pruning is one of the most important maintenance operations in banana cultivation. Workers remove old leaves, damaged foliage, and unnecessary suckers every 2 to 3 weeks to improve airflow throughout the plantation. This simple practice helps reduce the spread of fungal diseases and pests while allowing more sunlight to reach every banana bunch. As a result, the fruit develops more evenly with improved size and quality. Are you surprised that such a simple step plays such an important role in banana farming? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Machines for more amazing agriculture technology. Even with advanced agriculture technology, nature can still create enormous challenges. Strong tropical storms, heavy rainfall, and powerful winds are capable of destroying entire banana plantations within hours. Farmers must constantly adapt and recover after severe weather events that threaten months of hard work. When the bananas are fully ripe, harvesting begins with incredible precision. Each bunch weighs between 25 and 50 kilograms. Skilled workers can harvest up to 700 kilograms of bananas per day, carefully cutting each bunch by hand to avoid bruising. Meanwhile, freshly harvested banana bunches glide through the plantation on an overhead cable transport system. Suspended above the ground, the fruit travels smoothly across steep slopes and muddy fields, reducing manual handling, preventing bruises, and delivering premium quality bananas directly to the processing facility. At the washing station, the fruit is cleaned for approximately 10 minutes to remove sap, dirt, and bacteria before grading. Modern conveyor systems keep the production line moving efficiently, reducing manual labor while maintaining the premium quality required for export markets. After harvesting, the banana bunches are carefully packed into 15-kilogram cardboard cartons lined with protective foam to prevent bruising during transportation to the packing facility. After harvesting, powerful shredding machines process thick banana stems into fine, organic material within seconds. Instead of becoming waste, the shredded fibers are recycled into compost and natural fertilizer, enriching the soil for future crops. This sustainable process demonstrates how modern agriculture technology maximizes every part of the banana plant while reducing production costs. Inside the processing facility, efficiency reaches a new level. Each washing line can clean up to 800 kilograms of bananas per batch, removing dirt, latex, and harmful microorganisms before further processing. Skilled workers inspect approximately 3,000 bananas every hour, while nearly 5% are rejected to meet strict export quality standards. Next, the approved bananas are grouped into clusters of 4 to 6 hands before entering automatic vacuum packaging machines. These high-speed machines can seal up to 200 bags per minute, preserving freshness, extending shelf life, and preparing the fruit for long-distance transportation to international markets.
Nothing but bananas. Nothing but bananas.
Not all bananas are sold fresh. Every production cycle begins with approximately 2,200 pounds 1,000 kilograms of fresh bananas. After peeling, the fruit is sliced into uniform pieces before entering industrial fryers, operating at 180°C356F for 2 to 3 minutes. The carefully controlled frying process produces crispy banana chips with an even golden color and delicious flavor. After cooling, automated weighing systems package the chips into 150-gram bags, ready for supermarkets and export around the world. Banana plants provide much more than fruit. After harvesting, strong fibers are extracted from the stems using specialized fiber extraction machines. These natural fibers are cleaned, dried, and processed into raw materials for manufacturing ropes, handbags, rugs, hats, textiles, and biodegradable products. Instead of becoming agricultural waste, millions of banana stems are converted into environmentally friendly materials that support a more sustainable economy. The innovation continues after fiber extraction. The remaining pulp is refined, pressed, and dried into durable sheets of natural banana paper. These environmentally friendly materials are widely used for notebooks, gift packaging, premium stationery, and handmade artwork. By utilizing nearly 100% of the harvested banana plant, modern agriculture technology minimizes waste while creating multiple high-value products from a single crop. What was once considered agricultural waste has become an important resource supporting a cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you for watching The Machines. If you enjoy discovering advanced agricultural machines, heavy equipment, and modern processing technology, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing farming innovations from around the world.